How to install Pikashow on Samsung Smart TV. So you have to follow these steps. So first of all, press the home button on your Samsung Smart TV remote to go to main screen. Navigate to the setting icon on your Samsung Smart TV home screen and open it. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on the general option. Find and tap on External Device Manager. Then turn on Unknown Sources to allow third-party app installation. Press the home button to return to the Samsung Smart TV main screen. Navigate to Samsung Internet Browser on your Smart TV and open it. In the browser search bar, type Pikashow APK download and press enter. From the search results, open a trusted and safe website that offers the latest Pikashow APK file. Tap the download APK button on the website and wait for the file to download completely. Once downloaded, go to your Samsung Smart TV file manager and open the downloads folder. Find the Pikashow APK file in the downloads folder and tap on it to begin the installation. A prompt will appear on screen. Tap install and wait for a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once installed, tap open and start enjoying your app. Thank you for watching.